Hello, this is Industrial Surplus. Today we're going to do a video demonstration of an Atlas Copco rotary screw air compressor, built new in 1996. It's a model GA11, which is 11 kW machine motor, and that translates to about a 15 horsepower. It has a what they call an Electronicon digital display unit and controls, which are over here, and we'll show you that in operation. It's got about an 80-gallon tank underneath. It has sound enclosure door panels. We removed them so you can see the inside. The wires here that you see hanging are the motor wires going right to the from the bus bar or whatever, but we connected our wires straight into the side of the machine here. So that's our wire, goes out to our panel, and we disconnected that. So it also is equipped with a refrigeration system built into the system, which is a nice feature. No extra floor space, very clean, neat package, and it's equipped with a air dryer here too. This is the refrigeration system, and this is the air dryer. And it's all inclusive, all part of the system when it was built new, and it's in really nice running shape. We'll go ahead and start it, and it'll build up the pressure and kick off and idle, and then when it's not drawing any pressure, it'll shut off and restart when needed. This is the actual compressor here. Door panels on just to see how it sounds when everything's in place. Okay, it reached pressure. We have it set for about 86 pounds, 85 pounds. And this will go up to 220 pounds of pressure. Just putting the panels on now while the system kicked off because it's not utilizing air. It's in idle mode. We'll let some air out and then restart it because with the panels in place, I think you'll see it's a nice quiet system. Or maybe we could let some of the air out and have it start again. I just want to hear it while it's all the covers are on. We've got a little baffle system going with a jacket. Alright, we're letting some air out. It kicked back on. It's just real nice, real quiet. Kind of compressor you'd want to have in your shop because of the noise factor and the power capacity of the CFM or the PSI. Alright, that's the machine. Hopefully you'll be as impressed as I am. And if you have any questions, feel free to contact us. Thank you.